Hi, everyone. It's Tuesday morning, and this is your pre opening video. It's number 413, and I'd really like it if you'd hit the subscribe button. Okay, there's plenty of news out, and none of it good, unless you happen to own Nikola or GM. The Asian markets were slightly higher. Europe is mixed. But the biggest news is this SoftBank options play. Evidently, they were the whale of the NASDAQ for the past several weeks, buying call positions and getting long in tech stocks. As you might notice, last week on Thursday and Friday, the tech stocks got pounded, and they're going to get pounded again this morning. The Dow futures show an opening of down 300, and the NASDAQ futures show an opening down over 440. The S&P is down 55, which is no slouch either. All of these are pretty substantial moves, and there's a great deal of concern across all markets. Nikola and GM are working together on their pickup truck, and the Nikola people must really love it, although it's substantially off the high. The stock is currently just under 46, 42.95, up about $10, and it did trade $9 higher at 54. GM traded as high as 32.80 and is currently 31.82, which is up $1.82. The president, of course, also got into the action here, talking about decoupling our economy from China and blacklisting another one of their major chip makers, and cutting down the ability to buy cotton in China. On the upgrade news, Dana Telsey's company changed their rating on Peloton. Actually, their rating was buy anyway. What they changed was their target price from 82 to 105. The stock rallied on that up to 84.80, but right now is all the way back down to 80 and is down 63 cents. So we have Google down 48, we have Amazon down 145, we have Apple down 6, we have Tesla down 60, which is 14%, and we have Alibaba down about 10. The chart on the screen is the oil, and this is the weekly, and it gives you an idea of how big a move we have. Let me go back to the daily for a second, and you can really see the extent of this break. So we couldn't get through, and as I mentioned in my charts with comments, we have closed this gap to the downside, but have been unable to move any further, and now we're rolling over. I was looking for about 36 and a half, 37 and a half as an area of support, right in this area. And we're already there. I mean, we're 37 and a half, down $2.30. The gold is also down, but nothing overwhelming. It's down about 12 and a half. And what's interesting here is it's still working right down to this 50-day moving average. It's holding these lows, which is the important place for me, around 1905 to 1900. Wouldn't want to see it close down there. But what's also interesting is the fact that the silver is really only minorly lower. we're talking about silver being down 4 cents, which on a contract there is the equivalent of $200, where the gold is down $1,200. So silver continues to hold up a little better. We have the dollar massively up, according to this. Let's just take a look. And it's a very constructive pattern, as I mentioned in the letter last night. I mean, we had this break to a lower low, followed by a close that day on the high, and then follow through. This is still a very tough area, and in my charts with comments, it's a little bit more succinct as to what I see, but 93 and a half, I've always thought that we could make it to 94 before turning back down, but this is showing me, a real desire to break to the upside. I can't imagine that it could get through this 94.15 or so, which is also the 50-day. All right, everyone, be careful out there. It is treacherous, especially on the NASDAQ, and I'll be back during the day.